Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Well, the celebrities hijacked last week praising MNK. Frederick Leonard spoke. Flavor did too, and Yole Doshie also. Several others. They spoke about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Somebody used to say, "Onya na-ekwu nwere ihe ọ na-eme." Anya anọkata na-ekwu maka gị. Nwegoro ife email. Well, social media Jagaban, I salute you for this write-up. Nnamdi Kanu, the British Nigeria Biafra political activist. MNK is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, and his stated main aim of IPOB is to create an independent state for the people of old eastern region of Nigeria through referendum. Kanu is the director of the UK registered radio station named Radio Biafra. The radio station that Nigeria has tried to jam unsuccessfully. Nnamdi Kanu has added so much to the Biafran liberation movement and the need for the Igbo tribe to come together in unity to protect their land against unlawful trespass, kidnap, and terrorism. Many Igbo celebrities have begun commending his effort towards the protection of the Igbo land, especially after the increase in the rate of insecurity in the nation at large through the introduction of his Eastern Security Network ESN. Like Yole Doshie would say, he is being misunderstood and should not be blamed for what he is doing. Instead, he should be celebrated for doing what the federal government and the Southeast governors have failed to do. Flavor released the track Omuibo featuring Biggie. And look at the lyrics. He emphasized on the need for the Igbo nation to unite as one and speak with one voice. And he also praised Nnamdi Kanu for his effort in helping to reduce insecurity in the eastern region. You can see the lyrics of that song. Still on Nnamdi Kanu, Biafra, and the security of Eastern region. A Twitter user wrote, "The Eastern Security Network was set up under the law of self-defense." A Twitter user who goes by the name Somto Okonkwo had made a tweet regarding the Eastern Security Network ESN, which was recently set up by the IPOB under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Since the security outfit was set up, there have been speculations, arguments on whether the security outfit was legally set up or not. Lots of people have been questioning the legality, but not what it serves. According to the young man, he made it known to the people that the security outfit was set up under the law of self-defense. That is for those who are asking if it is legal or not. There is a law. Deal with it. He said, the Twitter guy has settled it. He said, under the law of self-defense. So that is legal. Okay, now, so what else do you want? He started by making it known to the people that self-defense is a constitutional right enshrined in the United Nations Charter. He went on and stated that it is also under the Section 60 of the Nigerian Penal Code. He then went on and stated that ESN was set up under the law of self-defense. He ended by making it clear that it is only a tree that we hear that it is to be cut down and still remain where it is. Let me translate to Igbo, he said, it's an Igbo proverb that is common. Also, so kwosisi ya no na anachi Igbo egbu, pula ofu ebe, mmadu no na anachi Igbo ogbafelu. I think this young man has made an important point. It's only the tree that will hear that it is about to be held down, brought down, and still remain where it is. The security outfit known as ESN was established by people to defend themselves against banditry and herdsmen attack in the region. This Twitter user is even very lenient enough. My friend will tell you, go and argue with your shadow. This guy I'm telling you about supports ESN very well. And it doesn't allow you to argue it with him. He will just say, go and argue with your shadow. More on ESN. I had Wikipedia just updated Eastern Security Network, and I had to go and confirm it. And this is what I saw on Wikipedia. You can see it on the screen. Eastern Security Network ESN is a regional security force and a paramilitary wing of indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, a movement whose aim is to restore the independent state of Biafra, which has been defunct since the 1967 to 1970 Nigerian Civil War. And if you want to read further on the history, well, look at it. Let's look it up. Kanu, the leader of IPOB, announced the formation of ESN on December 12, 2020. The stated aim was to act as a regional security force to protect the people against Fulani raiders. However, the Nigerian government saw the ESN as a threat to its authority and deployed the army to locate and destroy ESN bases. This escalated with the outbreak of the Olo crisis a month later. The military confrontation lasted for 7 days until ESN declared a unilateral ceasefire and both sides withdrew from the city. Though we had Nigerian soldiers reinforced. Shortly after the Olo crisis, IPOB gave all the governors of Southeast Nigeria 14 days to ban open grazing, threatening to deploy the ESN to enforce a ban if authorities did not do so. And now we shall round up with this one by Fungist. Fungist is an online media. It reported, see why Biafra is currently trending on Twitter. Yes, Biafra trended on Twitter. A trend on Twitter refers to a hashtag-driven topic that is immediately popular at a particular time, yeah. Some person's topic trends on Twitter when so many people are talking about it. When so many people are talking about it, when it's been shared, when it's the news that is attention is at a particular time, it could be said to be trending. So this means that Biafra is currently trending on Twitter because so many people are talking about it. Now let's look at a few reasons this guy said Biafra was trending on Twitter. You know, from January 29th, this started happening. The name Biafra is not a new name among Nigerian citizens because it's a popular name Igbos used to identify themselves. Yes, a lot of Igbos, majority. Biafra is popular in the eastern states such as Imo, Enugu, Abia, Anambra, and Ebonyi, and also parts of Rivers, Delta State, and even Benue. So, according to this writer and based on reports, Biafra is currently trending on Twitter because people remembered the history of Biafra. Today, that day being January 29th, people remembered the history. And according to people, Biafra pounds was introduced this day, that was on the 29th January. And let's see what some people are saying about it. We will not be able to share lots of comments. If you want to share, this show will not end today. Let's share a few. Ayemo Juba wrote, the reason why Scotland wants to break out of UK is the same reason why Biafra and Oduduwa wants to break out of Nigeria, the zoo they created. Susan Mount wrote, I am in tears. It's not a color thing. It's not a religious thing. It's good versus evil in this world. God, please help us get justice. I don't know why you touched me, dear God, with Biafra, but I know we need redemption from evil. Bruce, it's talking about Bruce Merrock, a Biafra, somebody who identified with Biafra 1967 to 1970. He said, Bruce Merrock, Bruce, rest in peace, and all those who died for Biafra. One Genevieve wrote, Biafra, Biafra, 6-letter words that makes people fall in love. Wow. And Amamba said, today in history, Biafra pounds was introduced. That was still on the 29th January. That was 1968. So on this day, January 29, 1968, Lieutenant Colonel Chukwuemeka Odumegwu announced the introduction of new Biafran currencies and postage stamps in Owerri, present day, I think Imo State. These are reasons Biafra is trending on Twitter today. Thank you for watching this video. Credits to Fungist. Please add your comments. Tell us what you think about the whole topics we discussed today. Nnamdi Kanu, celebrities talk on Nnamdi Kanu, and Biafra trending on Twitter, and somebody defending ESN saying it's the law of self-defense made way for ESN to be introduced. Add your comment, tell us what you think. Please share this video. Also subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and click on the bell icon so that anytime our update drops, you get an alert. This is one of the best channels discussing Ndi Igbo and Biafra in an authentic way. I am Azuka OJ. I sign out. Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.